Hello, all. I'm Jahnavi. I'm a native of Kundur district. I have completed my bachelor's degree in Rajasthan University, majoring in computer science and engineering. And in the 8th semester of my bachelor's degree, I have joined in Jspiders in the month of January, and I have opted for Java full stack course. And during that phase, when I've joined in this institute, at starting there were continuous classes, and I felt like why it is so hectic for me to attend the classes. And like after joining this Jspiders, and I've continued for 1 month, and I really felt like how it will be when we are engaged with the work. And also, at first I was with zero coding knowledge, and I was like, I'm not meant for coding. So after the trainers, the way they are actually delivering the content, literally I should mention about my trainers. So especially Mr. and Pawan Kumar sir, he literally delivered the content in such a way that we don't need to practice after going into our room. He literally said everything, each and every point from scratch. And I should suggest that if anyone is want to learn from scratch, this is the best platform for you to get into the IT industry. And when I started learning coding, I felt a little bit difficult. But even though the mentors will support you, will guide you in each and every component, and they are like providing us the mock interviews also. So we'll get to know that what exactly we are lacking of, and we'll get an idea how to face the real interviews. So in the practice of that, we'll be having mock interviews every week. So it really helped us to face the real interviews without having any hesitations and all. And the next thing is about the presentation. So where we'll get each and every opportunity, each and every day we'll be getting the opportunities to present the topic, whatever we have learned, so that it will give the very much grip of the subject or the concept which we are learning. So if you're saying something about that concept to everyone, so we'll be having more communication skills also, as well as we'll be having the confidence that I know this topic and I can be assured. So yes, mock interviews and presentations will be an additional advantage of this course of an engineer. I'm really grateful and thankful for the Jspiders that this is the best opportunity, and I can say this literally changed my future. Thank you so much.